Nishi, you made this one?
No.
Then who made this
I
time?
made it.
Is it? Did you make?
Yes.
Wow, it's really nice. How did you make that?
That's cardboard.
With the paper?
Yeah. With some medicine boxes.
Wow, that's really nice. Nice creativity. What is the name of the bird?
It's Ruby.
Is it Ruby?
Yeah.
Ruby talk to you?
Yeah.
Can you please talk to her?
Yeah.
Quack, 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 quack. Ruby, Ruby. Ruby, Ruby. Quack, 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 quack.
He's saying something.
What is it saying? What is it saying? Quack, 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 quack.
I think it's sleeping time. That's why it's called sleeping like a pond.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Oh, look at it. What is it doing?
I'm so sleepy. Hello? Ruby? Quack, 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 quack. Ruby. Ruby, Ruby. Ruby, come.
Hey. Banana. I'll show you.
Ruby, come, Ruby, come. Ruby, jump. Jump, Ruby. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Oh, it has a toilet as well.
Yes.
Oh, that's really nice. Cool. I think it's very sleepy. Why can't you?
It is relaxing.
Is it relaxing?
Yes.
Okay. What is it saying now?
I think it's like it's so sleepy that way.
I think it's telling something to you.
But
Why it's
I
not
think it's
speaking?
telling amazing.
What is it telling? Hey, Ruby. Ruby. Ruby, Ruby. Ruby. Ruby girlie.
Snails.
Ruby.
Snails.
Hey, Ruby. Why Ruby is not talking?
It's so sleepy, that's why.
Oh, is it?
She's scared.
Oh my God. Who's scared? Who frightened her?
Wait. Nobody frightened her.
Ah!
It bites us also.
It bites you.
Let me try. Wait.
Today you got
Ah!
Today did you get vaccine in school?
No, it's not right now. Nobody bring the assignment. Only me, Nishi, Eva, and somebody else.
Who else
Don't
gave
know.
the consent
What?
for Japanese encephalitis?
Yes.
Oh, that's really cool.
And we put it back. Wait. One more time.
Oh my God. Ruby. Ruby, come on.
It's scared, it's frightened.
Oh, Ruby sitting here. Hey, Ruby. Ruby girlie. Hey, Ruby.
Oh my God. Let's go to the bed.
Ruby.
It's looking somewhere. It's like,
Where is Ruby's friend?
he's looking somewhere.
What is his name?
Ruby, and
No.
there's a boy bird also. He's in the cage now, sleeping as well. His name is Robbie.
Oh my God, Robbie. Ruby
He's
and
sad
Robbie.
because he also wanted to come, but because we want to let it because it will go to the fan and it will be a problem.
Okay. Hi, Ruby.
Look at his name.
Ruby is telling something to you. I think it is.
Bite me.
Give her. Oh, it bite you.
If
Ruby.
I bite me, like you will bite.
You give her finger. You
I'll
see
give.
her,
I'll
Ruby.
give. Nishta, I'll give.
No.
I'll take one finger. No, I know. I'll put it in your head. I'll put it in your head. Look at it coming in our head.
Oh my God.
Or...
Ruby.
Even the shoulders, I'll show you. The shoulders is the best one.
Oh, really nice.
So, like something.
Nice.
Now come, let's go to the stand back.
This is the paper stand made by Nikki and Nishi. It's very nice stand. Ruby can eat banana.
Yeah, but it don't like it.
What
But it is
what
bad
usually eats?
It eats corn.
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 What food do you give to her?
We give tulsi as well. It eats tulsi.
And also millets.
Yes.
It likes millets. Really nice. Wow. I think it's telling something to you. Ruby.
Let's come friends.
Ruby.
Don't put it very
I think Ruby is scary now.
Yeah, look away.
It wants to climb somewhere.
I'll go. Lord is bites us. Let's get
Oh my God.
I'll show you. I'll show you that. It don't eat it. As well as it sit with you also.
Give me also, Ruby. Wow, so nice. It's so lightweight.
Yeah, it's
Hardly
Wait.
around 10 grams, 15 grams.
Come on. Just do it like this. Come on.
No, don't disturb.
Go there.
Ruby, come here.
It loves in the stand.
Ruby, come here. Ruby.
Look,
Ruby,
it's
come
getting
here.
scared. It's getting little
Give me here.
scared.
I want to hold
Just
Ruby.
next to
Ruby, come.
Ah.
Yes, Ruby, come. Hey, Ruby. Ruby has yellow color, blue color, and green color.
Just
And
like
red
that.
color. I think it's scratching.
Its cheeks are blue in color.
Cheeks are blue. No, I think it's a gray.
This is color.
It's a gray. Where is the ear?
Ears
Ruby's
are
ear.
internal
Internal ears.
Internal ears,
Internal
but it
ears
is
are-
covered with, and it has a lot
Oh,
of,
really?
yeah. That's
What is
like
that tip of the?
lizards.
It has a nose, I think.
Yeah, lizards,
The
birds,
nose is there.
and
It has a nose.
lizards and birds have.
Show me the nose.
The boy bird has blue
Where is
nose,
the
and the
nose?
girl
Show
bird
me.
has some skin color nose.
Oh, let me
Look
zoom in.
there.
Oh, yeah, I can see this nose on the tip of the mouth. I mean, the summit of the mouth.
And the boy bird has the blue. Look at the camera.
Hey, Ruby, here.
Look at the
Yeah, that's the way. Ruby. Come here, Ruby.
Go there.
Come.
It is not going.
Let me see Ruby can.
Go.
Let me see Ruby. Oh my God! Ruby is sitting on my phone. Oh my God!
Oh, just sit on your phone.
Let me.
Yeah, because it's a good stand.